Hey there, welcome to Stack. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the top 5 free AI video creation tools for beginners. If you're looking to create professional videos without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. First up, we have Canva. This user-friendly platform offers a drag-and-drop interface that makes video creation a breeze. With thousands of templates, stock footage, and music options, Canva is perfect for social media content and presentations. The AI features can help with text generation, image creation, and even suggest design elements based on your content. Next on our list is Clipchamp. Now owned by Microsoft, Clipchamp offers an intuitive editor with AI-powered features like auto-captioning and text-to-speech. It's great for quick edits and screen recordings. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365. Third, we have InVideo. This platform shines with its AI script-to-video feature, automatically transforming your written content into engaging videos. With over 5,000 templates and a user-friendly interface, InVideo is perfect for marketing videos and social media content. Coming in at number 4 is Pictory. This tool specializes in turning long-form content into short video clips. Simply paste your blog post or article, and Pictory's AI will identify key points and create a video summary with relevant visuals. It's a game changer for content repurposing. Last but not least, Lumen 5. This AI-powered platform excels at transforming blog posts into engaging videos. With its smart storyboard generator and vast media library, Lumen 5 makes video creation accessible even for complete beginners. So there you have it. 5 fantastic free AI video creation tools to kickstart your content journey. Remember to scale smarter with AI, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips from Stack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.